I welcome you of my channel Maths by Avinash. Today we shall continue our theorems based on quadrilateral. So shall we start our class? This is theorem 8.4 from NCERT. This is theorem 8.4. Theorem is said in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. We have to prove in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. This is the figure. We have a parallelogram ABCD. Clear? Now, first of all, write the given part. What is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a. This is the notation of parallelogram. We know that parallelogram in which AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, same as AD parallel to BC, and AD parallel to BC or CD, both are same. To prove what we prove? Opposite angles. These angles are equal to these angles and these angles are equal to these angles. To prove what we prove? Angle B is opposite to angle D. Clear? And angle C is opposite to angle A. Clear? Now, construction. What we construct? Join AC. Join A and C. Clear? Now, in proof. First of all, I have to take triangle ABC and triangle ADC. You have to write what? Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Clear? Angle. This angle is represented by 1. This angle is represented by 2. Are you clear? This angle is represented by 3. This angle is represented by angle 4. First of all, you have to write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We know that from previous theorem. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle as AB parallel to DC and AC cuts them, same as angle 3 equals to angle 4. Same reason. Alternate interior angles as AD parallel to CB and CA cuts them. Clear? And AC equals to AC. This is common. Then what we write? Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC by AA as congruency. When triangle are congruent, then what we write? When triangle are congruent, then by CPCT what we write? Therefore, angle B is equals to angle D. Why? By CPCT. And also angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 4 equals to angle 3. Add both 1. We have to write like that. Angle 1 plus angle 4 equals to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 4 becomes what? Angle A. Same as angle 2 plus angle 3 becomes angle C. Clear? And angle B equals to angle D. Proved. I hope this theorem is clear to you. Please watch the video properly. 8.5. This is one of the most important theorem. 8.5 from NCERT. Theorem is said, if in a quadrilateral, each pair of opposite angles is equal then it is a parallelogram. Theorem is said, in a quadrilateral, pair of opposite sides are equal, then it becomes a parallelogram. See, draw the figure first. This is a parallelogram ABCD, and each pair of opposite angles are equal. This angle is represented by 1, this angle is represented by 2, this angle is represented by 3, and this angle is represented by 4. Now write the given part. What is given? A quadrilateral, we know that we have to write quadrilateral like quad dot. Quadrilateral ABCD in which angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D. This is already given in question. To prove, what we prove? To prove what? ABCD is a parallelogram. Now proof. Since we have what we have, angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D. This is already equal, and then what we write? See, angle A plus angle B, angle C plus angle D. We have to write like that. This implies that angle A plus angle B is equals to angle C plus angle D is equals to 180. Why? Since angle A plus B plus C and plus D is equals to 360. If both sums is equals to what? Each sum is equals to 180 degree. Now line segment BC and AD are cuts by transversal line AB. So you have to write what? Line segment BC and AD are cuts by transversal AB such that angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. We know that this is already written in lines and angle. Why? Because angle A and B are co-interior angle. Since angle A and B are co-interior angle, we know that, and whose sum is 180 degree. Next we have to write here. These are co-interior angles. Then therefore what we write? AD parallel to BC. Same reason. Actually this reason is right here. Angle A and B are co-interior angles. This reason is right here. Now again, in same way, DC and AB, DC and line segment DC and AB are cuts by transversal DA such that angle A plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Therefore AB parallel to CD. Why? Same reason. Angle A and D are co-interior. Angle A and D are co-interior angles. Now thus AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to CD. Hence what we said, ABCD is a parallelogram. I hope this theorem is clear to you. This is one of the most important theorem. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the